All right, y'all. Update on the MK5. Went from the original OEM gold wheels. And y'all check me out. We rolling. Put some monoblock wheels on there. We rolling, baby. What do y'all think? What do you think of this customized update? First one I customized too. First one I done did. First customization. And it's good. It's rolling. It's rolling. For the first time, baby. First timer. What? Nothing's falling off. We good. What do you think about this Lambo right here? Getting these orange wheels. It's not the same kind of orange, but definitely gonna order some more. You know what I'm saying? These are the colorways. I thought I had ordered different colorways, but I don't know. You hit that Benjamin, boy, you forget what colors you ordered.